17,000 applications have been shortlisted for construction of bio-toilets in village panchayats all over Goa, Waste Management Minister Michael Lobo stated. Under the initiative of the Waste Management Minister Michael Lobo, 15 bio-toilets were installed in village panchayat of Parra. The initiative is a part of the Swachh Bharat mission in Parra village panchayat and was extended to all the village panchayats in Goa. The project is executed by Goa's Waste Management Corporation. The Parra panchayat got the names of the needy persons. More toilets will be installed in the second phase, Sarpanch Dalaila Lobo stated. The general category households had to pay 5,000 rupees, SC households had to pay 3,000 rupees and the ST households had to pay 2,500 rupees. The project is funded by the government of Goa.
आज आम्ही आमच्या पर्रा गावात ज्या लोकांक टॉयलेट ना तांकां 15 टॉयलेट पास जावन येयल्ले आहा for total number of 15 families. The GWMC will be, the Goa Waste Management Corporation will be executing the work and paid by the government of Goa. So I thank our minister. It is headed by Michael Lobo, the MLA of Kalangut constituency. I thank him. आणि आमच्या पोर्राच्या सगळ्या वॉर्ड मेंबरांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तेणी आमकां ती सगळ्याची नांवां हाडली ज्या लोकांक टॉयलेट ना ते. सम नेम्स आर स्टील लेफ्ट. कोणाचे डॉक्युमेंट्स सारके ना तेचे थोडे येवपाचे आहा इन द सेकंड फेज. द कॉस्ट ऑफ दीस टॉयलेट इज 58,000. These are bio toilets. For general people had paid 5,000 for it. Those who are belonging to general category. Those who are belonging to OBC had paid 3,000 and those who are belonging to SC ST had paid 2,500. So I thank the government of Goa for taking this initiative and making Goa better, a cleaner place and truly Swachh Bharat mission in our village. Thank you.
Government of Goa had started registering all the people who do not have a toilet. So हे मिशन आमी सगळे विलेज पंचायतींक आख्खे गोंयचे दिल्ले. खूब जाणांनी नांवां आमकां दिल्ली आहा आनी Goa Waste Management Corporation being the nodal body for these toilets, construction of toilets, bio toilets, and we have identified around 17,000 applications जी येयल्ली ती प्रोसेस करून आमी तेजे टेंडर प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करून खुबशी जाग्यार वर्क ऑर्डरूय दिल्ले. जे कोणाचे डॉक्युमेंट्स क्लियर आहा तांकां वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्ले आहा. सम आर स्टील इन प्रोसेस and we want to make Goa open defecation free. ह्या इंटेंशनान under Swachh Bharat mission, Honorable Prime Minister's direction, and सगळे states are building toilets whoever does not have a toilet. I think it will take some more time. Wherever there is a land dispute or ownership dispute, the dispute panchayat will clear, and under Public Health Act amendment जे झाले हा आधी Public Health Act, toilet is compulsory. Water connection to a house is compulsory, so that does not come under the purview of somebody denying them a toilet or a water connection or a electricity connection. So yeah, toilet under Public Health Act घातलेलो आमी amendment करून आणि जे लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम हा भाडकार NOC दिना त्या लोकांक आमी गव्हर्नमेंट अंडर public health, that is primary health center or community health center, gives them the NOC to take the toilet facilities.